Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing alright, since I'm alright. And today I want to show you how to make a simple origami bird, the one like here, you see. Yep. Well, at first we need to find out what is origami, yeah? So origami is the art of paper folding into shapes, which is often associated with Japanese culture. But it's not completely true, since Japanese wasn't the first one starting paper folding. It began with the invention of paper in China around 105 AD. Yeah, so similar to Japanese origami, modern Japanese paper folding exhibits an interest in representing inanimate objects like boats and boxes. Yeah, but at first it served in funerals in form of ornaments, which was thrown into a fire at the end of the ceremony. Yeah, so Japanese paper folding came after, when paper was introduced to them in the 6th century. To serve in rituals, and actual art called origami appeared during Japan's Edo period. So this is just a short story, short history, so now we know about it. We can start making our bird. Yeah. Also, to add up, I believe that the best way to learn how to fold this bird is by observing. So let's begin. Okay, so we need paper. Well, I've got this not perfect square, yeah, so we need to make it perfect. So the best way to do is just folding like this way. Okie dokie. Yeah. Right. Yeah, there we go, got this. Then we need the scissors. Well, normally we would need that kind of thing, but since it's not a perfect square, I'm just using it. Okay. Yep, we can put this piece somewhere else. Alright, so we got this triangle now, but yes, that's perfect square. Yeah, so we got that part done, yes. Then the next part is fold this way. Okay. Folding, folding, folding. Yeah, make sure you're creasing it properly as well here. Okay. So this part is gonna be a bird's tail, basically. Just to tell you guys. Yes. So in the next part, it's basically folding this part backwards. Yeah. There we go. So fold it there. Okay. Alright. Now we just need to make a couple lines, just so we could easily make the pockets for the second part. There you go. Alright, so we got that. Now we need to make these pockets I was talking about. So yeah, so just making sure this part is basically aligned properly. Yeah, there you go. Okay, then we're just pressing there. Yeah, start like this. It looks like this, and then we're just doing for another side as well. So if I'm going to just do that again. Yeah. It might be tricky at start. Tricky for me as well sometimes, but it's not that hard, to be honest. There you go. And this. Okay, creasing again. Guess it could be a bit better. Sorry about that. There you go. Right. So now what we can do is make a little legs for our bird. Just making that, folding here. Yeah. It's basically gonna be its legs. Yeah. I try to make it to look symmetrical, like this and that. Yeah. Okay, so now just make folding there. I'm gonna start making our bird's tail. Yep, there you go. Then folding this way as well. It's basically just to look like a little zigzag. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay. Right, got that part now. Now it's easy. Just basically folding everything in half, like this. Right. Yeah, it starts looking like a bird, isn't it? There you go. Okay. Now there's one part missing, and that's our bird's beak. So we can do that this way. Just taking a bit, yeah. Okay, and just to stand out like this, just taking a bit of it, pulling it out. Yeah, there we go. It has a beak now. Okay, now we'll just do the same part with our tail, just raising it a bit. There you go. Okay. And still needs an eye, isn't it? So just take a pen, putting a dot here and on the other side, and then voila, we got a bird. As I said, it's quite easy, not too overcomplicated, and then you can just place it anywhere you want. There you go. Well, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.